Here is a beginner-level Regulatory Affairs Manager quiz that covers liaison with cross-functional collaboration, regulatory documentation and dossier preparation, and regulatory intelligence and competitor analysis. Let's go! Question 1. What is the main purpose of cross-functional collaboration in regulatory affairs? A. To ensure compliance and smooth regulatory submissions. B. To increase product sales. C. To create new advertising strategies. And D. To improve workplace productivity. Answer: to ensure compliance and smooth regulatory submissions. Question 2. Which of the following teams does a Regulatory Affairs Manager work closely with? A. Marketing and sales. B. Research and development and quality assurance. C. Customer service and HR. And D. Finance and IT. Answer: research and development and quality assurance. Question 3. Why is cross-functional collaboration important for product approval? A. It reduces the number of regulatory requirements. B. It helps in making regulatory affairs more independent. C. It speeds up the documentation and submission process. And D. It eliminates the need for clinical trials. Answer: it speeds up the documentation and submission process. Question 4. Which department is responsible for compiling regulatory documents for submission? A. Sales Department. B. Regulatory Affairs Department. C. Customer Support Team. And D. Legal Department. Answer: Regulatory Affairs Department. Question 5. What is the common technical document CTD used for? A. To describe a company's marketing strategy. B. To analyze sales trends. C. To report financial performance. And D. To standardize regulatory submissions across regions. Answer: to standardize regulatory submissions across regions. Question 6. Which of the following is not a key section of the CTD? A. Clinical study reports. B. Manufacturing information. C. Financial statements. And D. Non-clinical study reports. Answer: financial statements. Question 7. Which document is required for new drug approval in the US? A. New drug application, NDA. B. Investigational new drug, IND application. C. Abbreviated new drug application, ANDA. And D. Drug master file, DMF. Answer: new drug application, NDA. Question 8. Which document provides information about drug formulation, stability and safety? A. Marketing authorization application, MAA. B. Drug master file, DMF. C. Annual report. And D. Advertising brochure. Answer: Drug Master File, DMF. Question 9. Which of the following is not a regulatory document? A. Investigator's brochure. B. Summary of product characteristics, SMPC. C. Product labeling. And D. Customer satisfaction survey. Answer: Customer satisfaction survey. Question 10. What does regulatory intelligence, RI, help companies with? A. Tracking competitor regulatory strategies and compliance trends. B. Enhancing product branding. C. Increasing customer engagement. And D. Reducing employee training costs. Answer: tracking competitor regulatory strategies and compliance trends. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Why is regulatory intelligence important? A. It increases sales and marketing effectiveness. B. It allows companies to skip regulatory compliance requirements. C. It helps companies stay updated on regulatory changes and global trends. And D. It eliminates the need for clinical trials. Answer: it helps companies stay updated on regulatory changes and global trends. Question 12. Which of the following is a key benefit of regulatory intelligence? A. Identifying potential regulatory challenges early. B. Reducing the need for quality control. C. Increasing marketing budget. And D. Enhancing customer experience. Answer: identifying potential regulatory challenges early. Question 13. Which regulatory document is updated when significant changes are made to a drug product? A. Annual report. B. Variation application. C. Customer feedback report. And D. Profit and loss statement. Answer: variation application. Question 14. Which organization provides global regulatory guidelines? A. WTO, B. FIFA, C. OECD, and D. WHO. Answer: WHO. Question 15. A company wants to expand into new markets. What should they focus on first? A. Social media engagement. B. Compliance with international regulatory standards. C. Reducing product price. And D. Increasing marketing spend. Answer: compliance with international regulatory standards. Question 16. What is the role of a regulatory dossier? A. It provides essential regulatory information required for product approval. B. It helps track company sales. C. It is used for employee performance evaluation. And D. It is required for business tax filing. Answer: it provides essential regulatory information required for product approval. Question 17. Which of the following is not a key function of regulatory affairs? A. Preparing regulatory submissions. B. Conducting market research for new trends. C. Ensuring product compliance with global regulations. And D. Managing post-marketing surveillance. Answer: conducting market research for new trends. Question 18. A regulatory affairs manager wants to analyze how competitors handle regulatory submissions. What tool can they use? A. Employee feedback. B. Customer surveys. C. Social media monitoring. And D. Regulatory intelligence reports. Answer: regulatory intelligence reports. Question 19. Why is competitor analysis important in regulatory affairs? A. It eliminates the need for regulatory submissions. B. It allows companies to copy competitors' products. C. It helps companies predict future regulatory trends. And D. It increases customer retention. Answer: it helps companies predict future regulatory trends. Question 20. Which document is essential for a biosimilar drug submission? A. Biologics License Application, BLA. B. Abbreviated New Drug Application, ANDA. C. Drug Safety Report. And D. Risk Management Plan. Answer: Biologics License Application, BLA. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.